Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we've got this leaking toilet and the flapper is what's leaking. I tried to clean it, but it's still leaking. So we're going to replace this. So what's been happening is as the water increases, it's leaking by and then it flushes just a little, ever so slightly, but it's a constant leaking of water. So we're going to fix that. This is the old flapper. I tried to clean it, but it just wasn't going to work. So we're going to undo it right here. And then these pop right off. And then we've got the new one that we're going to put in. It's an exact replacement. It's got two little hooks on there. They hook to the bottom here. And right there. And okay, I've got the new one on. And let's give it a flush. And judging by what I heard when this filled up just a moment ago, the leak did stop. So after looking at the coating on this ring, it looks like some of it's worn off. That may have been the problem why it's leaking. But we got the new one in and everything seems to be fine. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.